Facebook profile name step by step. 1. Log into Facebook. Open the Facebook app or website and log into your account. 2. Go to Settings. On the app, tap the three horizontal lines menu in the bottom right corner iOS or top right corner Android. On the website, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. 3. Select Name. In the Settings menu, look for General and click on it. You will see your name at the top. Click on Edit next to your name. 4. Change your name. Enter your new first name, middle name if applicable, and last name. 5. Review Facebook's name policy. Make sure your name adheres to Facebook's name standards. 6. Click Review Change. After entering your new name, click on Review Change. 7. Choose how your name will appear asterisk. You can select how your name will be displayed, e.g., first name, last name format. 8. Enter your password asterisk. To confirm the change, enter your Facebook password. 9. Save changes. Click Save Changes to update your profile name.